welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about my new compass box. Let's see. Oh, it has a sticker on its top and it's Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen is my favorite racing car and I also watch movies of Lightning McQueen. Let's open it and see how it looks like inside. Oh wow! It has a one pencil and a one eraser. And these are the clips. These are the clips to hold pencil. Pencil not can fall out from these clips. Now let's see next section. Let's close this and let me open it. Oh wow! It has a one marker and one ruler and one timetable. Let's close this. It has another surprise. It's a whiteboard. I can even draw anything. Let me show you what I will do in this board. I will take marker. This is the eraser. It can even pull out. Now I am drawing something. I have drawn a cake and candle on its top. Now we will erase it. Now we can do something else too on this board. Let me tell you. Now I am writing something on it. We can also write ABC. Now we will close the marker and erase it. You can even erase it when the cap is open. Let's close the whiteboard. Now I will close it. Oh, these are contents. What is inside it? One pencil, one eraser, one ruler, one timetable, one whiteboard and one marker. These are the stuff when I purchased the compass box. Let's put marker on its place. We open it and put a marker. And we closed it. Bye bye. Red is my favorite color and this compass box is all red. And it is gifted by my Dadaji. And I love my new compass box. Bye 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 bye.